Hi Katie, this is Stephanie. Thanks for reaching out on my post today. So in this video, I'm going to pretty much look at your website compared to the top two competitors and show you what needs to be done in order to outrank them. So looking at your website, we see that you only have a couple hundred words on your homepage, and Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Also, when Google is crawling pages, they don't see the photos, they read what's behind them. So you want to make sure that you get your photos saved as keywords. Looking at Hatfield Builders and Remodelers, this is your number one guy. He's in the top position. And I know it doesn't look like it when you look at his front page, but believe it or not, he has something like, I think 12,000 or 15,000 words on his homepage. And how he did that was by including his blog up front on the home page in this little scroller right here. So he probably has like 13,000 words just in his blogs alone. So that is pushing a lot of power to his homepage. And then the other guy in the top two is DFW Improved. And so, he has an okay amount of content. He's very beatable, but definitely your top guy is Hatfield Builder and Remodelers. So the next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. And when we look at the top keyword, Home Remodeling Dallas TX, we're going to see the paid ads at the top. The next is the map pack, and below that is the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is just your business name, your address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp or White Pages, or even Facebook has a spot for a citation. So the tool that I like to use for that is called whitespark.ca. So we see that Renowned has 51 and Dallas Home Remodeling has 16. So I don't believe you have a GMB. I didn't find it when I looked it up. So you definitely want to get a GMB made, get it optimized with a good keyword-rich description, with your photos optimized, and then I would add 200 to 300 citations so you can beat your competition by a landslide. So next we have the organic section, and how we're going to rank here is through something called backlinks, and a backlink is really just one site pointing to another site, pretty much giving it authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest. There's a little bit more to it than that. So the backlinks that you obtain actually, they're a lot more effective when you have relative links coming back to your website. So, whether it be flooring or fencing or even a home remodel site pointing back to you, that's a lot more effective than like Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you guys are not in the pizza industry. So the tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when I plug HB Dallas in, we see that they have 334 referring domains, giving them over 2,200 backlinks. DFW Improved has 466 referring domains, giving them over 3,600 backlinks. And when I plug your website in, we see that you don't have any data. And we see you're not being found for any keywords. So taking a look at the top competitor, we'll just look at HB Dallas and check out some of these keywords. So to the left, we're going to have the keyword. Then we're going to have volume, which is the average monthly searches. KD is keyword difficulty. So that's how hard it is to rank for that keyword. 0 being the easiest, 100 being the hardest. CPC is cost per click. If you were to ever do a Google ad, that's how much it would cost per click anytime anyone clicked on your ad. And position would be the position that this company is in on Google for that keyword. So if you Google tile trends 2017, these guys are going to come up. They're in the number one position. Okay, back to volume. So Remodeling Dallas, there's 250 searches a month with a 26 KD. Pretty tough to rank, but a lot of searches. Kitchen Remodel Dallas, 200. Kitchen Remodeling Dallas TX, 150. Kitchen Remodel, that's more national keyword because there's no Dallas next to it. Dallas Bathroom Remodel, 90. Home Remodeling Dallas, there's 250. Bathroom Remodel Dallas, 250. Dallas Remodel, 150. home remodelers 150. So you can see there are literally hundreds and hundreds of searches every month for home remodelers that you're not being found for because you're not ranking in Google. And this is just for home remodeling. So I know that your website was showing painting, drywall, flooring, tile, roofing, cabinets, fencing, and other stuff. So literally all of these niches are, they have their own keywords. So you can actually rank your back page for painters in Dallas. You can rank for drywall in Dallas, flooring, tile, etc. It's just a matter of getting the right backlinks and pushing a lot of power to your homepage. So just to do a recap for you, you want to get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content added to your homepage. You want to go ahead and get a Google My Business listing created and get it fully optimized and add 200 to 300 citations to beat out your competition by a landslide. Sorry, that is the wrong one. My goodness, it's been a long day. Anyway, so you want to beat out these guys by adding 200 to 300 citations, and then you want to go ahead and get relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website to show Google that you are the authority in your niche. That's all I got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a good one.